Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 12 and the topic the world of microorganisms part 2. So let us discuss one by one question here. The first question here, how can we preserve that food at home? So there are many preservative methods which are very much helpful for the storing of the food material for the longer period. So what are the preservation methods? Usually we can see that at home. So pickling, as we can see that pickles, by adding of that is salt and turmeric. So which we can easily preserve that a food material, and whereas that fishes by salting and drying, and one comes to that of jams and jellies by adding of that a sugar syrups. So as these are the methods, as we can see that here salts and turmeric where we can add that to the pickles, and the fishes we can use this methods of salting and drying, we can preserve that fishes, whereas jams and jellies one it can be able to go for that of it can be able to preserve that longer periods by the adding of that sugar syrups, where vegetables also, fruits and vegetables also we can add that salting. Okay, so let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, which bacterium is widely responsible for the food poisoning? The one of the bacteria which we can call it as Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. So this is a bacteria which is responsible for the food poisoning itself. Then will we go for that of next question. What is pasteurization? What is the use of it? This pasteurization, as we can call it as heating of milk, that is about 72 degrees centigrade, 15 minutes as we can take that. So after half an hour, 30 minutes after, we can cool the milk 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, so then as we can go for the top for this pasteurization method, which is very much useful for the killing of that harmful microorganisms which are present in the milk. It kills that harmful microorganisms which are present in the milk. So this is what the method Louis Pasteur he discovered. So the method it is got that a name of pasteurization. So heating above that milk at a certain temperature. So here as we can call it as the pasteurization method, which is very much helpful for the killing of that harmful microorganisms present in the milk. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, how is the preservation food helpful? So preservation of the food, one, it is very much helpful to stores the food, the preservation methods for a longer period, and it improves the quality also, quality of the food, where it can be prevents destroying that food from the harmful microorganisms, where it can be useful for this in all the seasons we will get that a particular food materials. So in all seasons, in any season, we will get different kinds of food. different kinds of food. So this is what the preservation methods are very much helpful for us for the maintenance of that quality of the food and for the maintenance of that a longer period of time, and it will be improves that, it will be prevents that the destroying nature of that food material. And in any season, as we will get some varieties of the fruits and all, fruit juices and all, in any season as we can get by the preservation methods. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.